Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am bringing you tarot reading on Dutch general elections which are starting from today 15th of March and they are till 17th March. So what's going to happen? Previously I also did reading for Suriname general elections and it comes out to be accurate. Chan Santoki became the prime minister. So also thought of doing reading on Dutch general elections. Now there are 6 parties total, top 6 parties. I am taking into account top 6 parties. There are probably 37 political parties. So I am taking into account performances of top 6 political parties. So let's go to the reading and see who has the best chance of becoming the Prime Minister of Netherlands again. Friends, these are the cards for political parties. One single card reading how will be the performance, how people will reciprocate to these political parties. So looking at the cards, first is VVD. Yes, they are going to get a very good response, but the second highest in previous election, PVV, party led by Geert Wilders. No, it will not do well in these political elections, these general elections. But then CDA, they will do well, and then thereafter D66, Secret Kaag's party, they will gain. They are certainly going to gain. These 2 political parties will gain. Then Jesse Claver's party, GL, they will maintain their position. And SP, Lilian Marginsen, here they are going to improve on their tally of seats, number of seats. So among these top 6 political parties, only PVV will lose some seats and others are going to gain. Now, between 17th March and 31st March, who is going to become the Prime Minister of Netherlands? Now, this is the card for Mark Rutte. Then Geert Wilders. No, absolutely no. He will not. Then Wopke Hoekstra. No. Sigrid Kaag. Now he will be in the competition, but he might lose. Then Jesse Claver. So he will get some good ministry, but not Prime Minister position. Jesse Claver. Then Lilian Marginsen. No, not expected to be the Prime Minister. So Mark Rutte again will become the Prime Minister. These are the 3 cards for him and this one. So all these 4 cards are clear indication that Mark Rutte will again become the Prime Minister of Netherlands and his political party is going to improve on its tally in terms of number of seats. So that's it for now. Hope you like this reading. Thank you very much. And yes, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.